Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am June Penny, and before I get started, I would like to give you all a big ol' hug and say thank you for your support and thank you for being here, and I love you all, and I mean that with all my heart. Well, today's video is simply this. I'm excited because I'm doing a giveaway. Now, if you guys saw my last video, it was about Batiste Dry Shampoo right here. Batiste Dry Shampoo, and I have gotten such amazing comments from you guys that most of you have been using this, and a lot of you are now ordering this. This is really good stuff, and I'm so happy I did the review on this. I love it. I really do. And it's good because, you know, I wear my no track frontals and I use it to fill in the spots on the sides, which is great. But now let's get on to the giveaway. I am giving away two smaller bottles. Once this video gets 2,000 likes. I want to get 2,000 likes on this video, and we can achieve that really fast. So if you're just tuning into this channel, look on the likes, be a part of it, like it. You also need to comment down below. Comment down below and put a heart next to your comment. You will be automatically entered into the Batiste giveaway. This is not sponsored. This is coming from my money. So I just wanted to do it for you guys because I was really excited about this video and about that video. And I just want to give back, you know. I don't know all the colors it comes in, but I'm sure there's something for everyone. I did see red, I did see brown and blonde, and there might be other colors, I don't know. But but what I found out about this is, even if you had lighter hair than I do and you use it, for some reason it just blends perfectly. So you don't have to get you don't have to have my color hair to use Divine Dark. So you can have darker hair or lighter hair than I do, and this would work perfectly on you. So I'm excited to do this giveaway. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to like this video, even if you don't want this. Help your fellow friends out here on YouTube and put a like down there. Put a like and put a comment, and it'll get the giveaway to go quicker. So anyway, I love you all. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.